The scary game. Horror game. This one. That one.
Bakit pag hinarap mo siya?
Maganda pa nga nightmare ko eh. Kasi yung nightmare ko lang. Konti lang yung
And this is Marky. Marky. Hi. Marky. That's right. So very happy this day. Sometimes and this one is the and play it a nightmare. And let's play. Hello guys, say hello. Hello to camera. And this is Sean. Sean, say hello to camera. Sean. And this is Kuya Abdullah. Abdul. And this is Darky. Mr. Del. Kuno. And this is a Bayare. And so on. That's I'm very happy this day. And this is Kyukso.
Ay, putik, di siya tumalon. Tumalon ka. Solid yun eh.
This is the funniest boy. Shut up. And that's so. All of my classmates are eating now. What happened? 21 bucks. Oh my God. Alam mo, 20 lang yun. Oh my God.
Pinaparapan ko eh.
And this is Belen. She has a genius.
Nakita ko yung mukha niya naparapan.
Ano nangyari?
Naparapan ko yung mukha niya.
And this is Ate Kanes. Say hello to camera. And this is my one of my classmates. So pretty. Oh, this is my teacher in math. And so on. And so happy. And this is my friend, better friend. And we're going to play the Eye. And the Eye is so horror movie. Like this, ayun! Yes! Yes! So happy. This is my uncle boy.
Hindi, punuin niyo lang.
This is Mr. Dem. Say hello, Mr. Dem.